They're just gonna check your vitals, all right?
I'd rather
here.
come from you guys, though,
No,
right?
so they're gonna. That's their profession. They're gonna check your vitals, and then you can refuse any other medical attention after that.
I'm gonna refuse it from right now.
She's saying she has no.
What's your name?
Carol.
Carol? Okay. Is your ID in
Definitely.
the car? All right,
Not in the car. It's not home.
Okay, just speak to this officer, please.
All right, what's your name?
Carol Bacalima.
Okay, Carol. Let me ask you, do you have any glasses, contacts that you wear?
I do.
Do you have them on right now, the contacts?
I do.
Okay. Do you have any medical conditions?
No.
No medical conditions?
No.
Okay. Do you have any problems with your hips, back, legs, or knees?
No.
Okay. All right, do me a favor, keep your hands at your side. Keep your feet together.
Yeah, push together.
Okay. Can you see the tip of my finger?
I can.
I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. Do you understand?
Okay, yeah, I do.
Don't move your head.
I can't say anything right now, but
Okay.
Alright, just going back to the car. It's gonna come up, fella.
Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Look, keep your head straight.
I'm not moving my head.
You are moving your head.
Not really.
Just your eyes.
Okay, I'm not moving my head.
Okay. You're not following my finger.
I am following your finger.
Yeah, you're gonna have no makeup.
Do you mind if we just check you out a little bit? Just to make sure that you're stable?
Yeah, but I don't want to be shut down by, like, the ambulance. I don't want to get for that.
We're a volunteer service, so we wouldn't be billing you.
Who are you billing now?
Your insurance, we wouldn't charge you. We go through your insurance.
How do you know my insurance, like, you can handle that? You don't. Exactly.
I know.
I don't want to give you information because, like, my insurance is not going to cover that.
I understand, but we're only here to help you, alright? You just got into an accident. We just want to make sure that you're okay. And I know you can say that you're okay, but we just need to confirm that you're okay. You know? And we'll just be checking you out. And if you still don't want to go to the hospital afterwards, we can discuss it then.
Can they flip my car over?
Ma'am, right now we're worried about you, not your car, okay?
Sure.
Alright? Would you like to take a seat here, or would you like to step into the ambulance to get your
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to? Alright. Is there a bridge?
Refusal?
I'm sorry?
Refusal or?
Yeah, but we just gotta get some vital signs beforehand.
Sarge.
Could you sit on the edge of the car or prepare? Just take a seat. So we can.
You can lean right on this truck right over here. Right here. Sarge, it's gonna be a refusal. They're just finishing the last thing. She said she doesn't want it. And wait, hold on. They're just finishing.
No. Ma'am, we're just gonna check you out just before we go, okay? We just need to make sure that you're stable.
They're just gonna check your vitals, all right?
I'd
Right
rather
here.
come from you guys, though,
No,
right?
so they're gonna. That's their profession. They're gonna check your vitals, and then you can refuse any other medical attention after that.
I'm gonna refuse it from right now.
Okay? Yeah, she doesn't want it. She doesn't want it.
Yeah.
Alright, then. I just need you to sign this. It's a refusal for medical attention.
This is just pretty much saying that you're refusing any type of medical treatment. If you do feel like you need an ambulance in 30 seconds when they leave, you can call them back.
Yeah, I'm not gonna sign that, but I don't need ambulance attention at all.
I'll get it.
Is she RMA? Good? Okay.
Now she is.
Okay, thank you.
Miss, you just got to speak to this officer over here.
Sorry,
okay?
can I get your first
It's on
name?
the side.
Matt.
Matt.
Mattthew. Matthew.
That's fine.
And then last initial?
B.
What's her
B.
name?
All right, thank you so much.
And what was her name?
Carol.
Carol.
Carol, just
Yeah,
go with this
Carol.
officer really quick.
Okay, I will.
Thank you very much.
Right here. All right.
Yeah.
So again, no medical conditions. You can just step up a little closer.
Okay.
Off the crack. Yep. Off the crack. Off of the crack. Yep.
Off
There
the
we go.
crack, yeah.
Keep your feet together. Hands at
Okay.
your side. Just to reiterate, you don't have any medical conditions, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. And you have contacts in, you said?
I do.
Okay. And you can see the tip of my finger with your eyes? Okay. I want you to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Don't move your head. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't move your head. Follow my finger.
I am. Yeah.
You're not looking at my finger.
I am.
Can you call back in, please, anytime? 56511, 56511. Can you repeat that, please? 56511, 56511. Repeat, thank you.
Just your eyes.
Okay, sure. I know it's just the eyes.
All right, and just to reiterate, you don't have any issues with your hips, backs, legs, knees, no medical conditions?
No.
Okay. Let's come over here. All right. You see this line?
Yep.
Okay. I see you got one sandal on. You want to take...
I know. You took my fucking sandals in that car right now.
Okay. Do you want to walk with the sandals? Do you want to walk with them off?
I do. I mean, I can take it off.
Yeah,
if
you just
want.
take it off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Take it off if you want.
All right. So do me a
damn.
favor. Just face this way. Okay. See the line?
Yeah.
Go
Here?
towards the line. Yep. What I want you to do is keep your hands at your side.
Okay.
I want you to put your left foot on the line.
Okay.
I want you to put your right foot
He's not.
in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe.
Right now?
Yes. Remain in this position until I tell you to begin the test. Do you understand?
I understand.
Okay. For this test, you're going to take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting out loud. The steps are going to be performed as such. 1, 2, 3, and so forth until you get to your 9th step. Once you're at your 9th step, you're going to leave your lead foot on the ground, and using your other foot, you're going to take a series of several small steps to turn around and proceed back with 9 additional heel-to-toe steps.
Can I
One.
perform it right now?
2, 3, and so forth.
Can I perform it right now?
Let me finish explaining the instructions. Okay? All right. Do you understand thus far?
I do.
Okay. So while you're performing the test, you're going to keep your hands at your side, count out loud, take 9 heel-to-toe steps, walking on the line. Okay? Do not stop performing the test until the test is complete.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to begin?
I am.
You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I performed.
Did you catch that? The officer clearly instructed her to turn and walk back. Instead, she stops dead at 9 steps. In a DUI investigation, being able to retain and follow multi-step instructions is just as critical as your balance. By quitting halfway through, she just handed the officer a major clue of impairment. What would you have done here?
I want you to face me. Keep your hands at your side, feet together.
Okay.
For this test, you're going to choose either leg of your choosing, lifted approximately 6 inches parallel to the ground as such.
Okay.
While your foot is parallel to the ground, you're going to count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand this?
Till 1006.
Till I tell you to stop.
Okay.
Okay, do you understand thus far?
Okay, I do.
Okay. Throughout the course of the test, keep your hands at your side. Look at your foot. Have your foot parallel to the ground, approximately 6 inches off of the ground. Do you understand?
Will you call it out in 1006?
Okay. You're going to be counting 1001, 1002, 1003, so forth. Okay?
Sure.
All right. I'm going to explain it again so you understand. Hands at your side, feet together. All right? You're going to choose either leg of your choosing, lifted approximately 6 inches off the ground, parallel to the ground, as such. Do you understand thus far? While you're performing this test, you're going to look at your foot and you're going to count out loud in a manner as such. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Okay. While you're performing this test, keep your legs straight, keep your foot approximately 6 inches raised off the ground. Make sure you're looking at your foot and make sure you count in the manner I described to you.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Are you ready to begin?
Yeah.
You may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003,
Either of you going down
1004,
here, so stand by the first
1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1008, 1009, 1010,
Keep going. Keep going.
1011, 1012, 1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019, 1020.
All right, you can stop.
Okay.
2-5.
Yeah. I don't know how much you want me to get out.
All right, just do me a favor. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to be arrested for driving while intoxicated, okay?
Sure. I never admitted to being drunk.
So that's what we just performed, the test.
I never admitted to
All right, we
being
can walk
drunk.
this way. Sarge, the car's coming there or there?
She's bringing it right here.
All right,
I never admitted to being. That's my actual sandwich.
I got it.
Can I put it
Okay,
on?
we're gonna walk on the sidewalk over here, okay? Just watch your step,
I
okay?
never admitted to being drunk, though.
Okay, just watch your step. If you want to take a little step right over to the cement.
Okay.
I'm just gonna search you. Do you have anything on you that's gonna pull
No,
for her?
I don't. But I also don't have anything to make you believe that I would have anything on me.
Okay, it's just
That's my phone.
okay. That's fine. We have to take everything out. You're under arrest.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not.
Excuse me. Open your legs. Yep. This is you have your bra.
Yeah, I have a bra, but I have nothing else.
Okay. Move forward a little bit. Okay.
Good. You can walk with me. Just walk straight forward, right?
So I guess you don't even care.
Care about what?
Like, if we have... Actually, that's my whole car flipped over.
Yep, that's your car. It's flipped over.
I get.
Just lean on this door right here. Oh, no, other way, other way. So,
I need, for now, you're gonna go in the radio room. Frank's gotta do outro.
gotcha. Just give me one moment before you sit down. All right, you can take a seat.
No, that's me. You're on the other phone.
I got it. Got it.
Part of this shit. Please.
What was that?
I'm not part of this.
Okay, just give me 1 second. Stay right here. Okay, we're good.
I don't want to be part of this. Can you please cut me some slack? Oh my god. You can't. I guess. I get it. Okay,
Watch the room. Right over here.
From a flipped vehicle to a police station refusal, this case highlights the domino effect of impaired driving. Refusing the breath test didn't save her. It just added another charge. If you found this breakdown as intense as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life body cam breakdowns.